This video demonstrates how to use Mono Slab EZ Form to quickly create shallow insulated foundations. Begin by excavating and setting the grade for the project. Prepare footing base with a 2 to 4 inch gravel bed per IRC code. The entire building footprint can be excavated, or a trench-style excavation can be performed. The project site should be level and square with perimeter stakes and layout properly established. Mono Slab EZ Form is available in 4 sizes. Mini Form features 12 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 8 feet in length. The standard form is 16 inches in height, 16 inches in width, and 8 feet in length. The Arctic form is 18 inches in height, 30 inches in width, and 8 feet in length. And the commercial form is 24 inches in width, 24 inches in height, and 8 feet in length. Interior forms are also available. Beginning at a corner, place the first EZ Form in position, extending the form past the corner as shown. Place the next EZ Form, butting it in firm contact with the previous form, and repeat. Using the built-in screed board recess in the form, place 2x8 screed boards. Stagger the boards across the form joints with a minimum 24-inch extension past any form joint. Ensure the forms are level, square, and true to the intended layout using 2 stakes per form. Repeat the process to complete form placement. At screed board intersections, fasten butt joints using 3 3-inch grabber screws. Lightly backfill 1 to 2 inches past the breakaway point, leaving 6 to 8 inches of distance from the sill to grade. Prepare and pour the interior slab. After pouring and screeding the slab, the 2x8 screed boards can be removed and replaced with the supplied EPS filler block. Alternatively, the built-in perforations allow for the removal of the wedge-shaped section as shown. For more information and installation guides, visit monoslabezform.com.